Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hare Krishna. Kartik month Mahatma story, chapter 11. Once, Sagar's son Jalandhar, along with his wife Vrinda, was sitting in a gathering where he was honored by the demons. When Guru Shukracharya arrived there, all directions were illuminated by his brightness. Seeing Guru Shukracharya coming, Sagar's son Jalandhar, along with the demons, got up and bowed to him with great respect. Guru Shukracharya blessed them all. Then Jalandhar made him sit on a divine seat and himself took the seat. Then Sagar's son Jalandhar asked him humbly, O Guruji, please tell us who beheaded Rahu. On this, Demon Guru Shukracharya introduced Virochan's son Hiranyakashipu and his righteous grandson and narrated briefly the story of the churning of the ocean by the gods and demons and told that when nectar came out of the ocean, Rahu also sat down to drink after taking the form of a god. On this, Sri Vishnu, an ally of Indra, cut off Rahu's head. Hearing such words from his guru's mouth, Jalandhar's anger knew no bounds. His eyes turned red. Then he called his messenger named Dhasmar and narrated him the story narrated by Shukracharya. Thereafter, he ordered Dhasmar to immediately go to Indrapuri and bring Indra under his protection. Dhasmar was very obedient and skillful messenger of Jalandhar. He soon reached Indra's meeting named Sudharma and said to Indra in the words of Jalandhar, O abode of gods, why did you churn the ocean and take away all the gems of my father? You did not do good by doing this. If you want your own good, then come to me along with all those gems and gods. Otherwise, I will destroy your kingdom. There is nothing wrong in this. Indra was very surprised and said, First of all, out of fear of me, why did the ocean give place to all the mountains in its womb? And why did it protect my enemy demons? That is why I have taken away all their gems. There is no doubt that my enemy cannot remain happy. Hearing such words of Indra, the messenger quickly came to Jalandhar and told him everything. As soon as he heard this, the demon started flapping his lips in anger, and he started his endeavor to conquer the gods. Then crores of demons started coming to him from all directions, from the world under the earth. Jalandhar started fighting with Indra along with millions of generals like Shumb, Nishumbh, etc. Soon he landed his army in Indra's Nandan forest. Indrapuri echoed with the sound of conch shells and the roar of the warriors. The gods left Amravati and went to fight with it. A terrible massacre took place. The guru of the demons, Acharya Shukra, brought the dead back to life with his Sanjeevani Vidya, and the guru of gods, Brihaspati, brought medicines from Dronagiri. On this, Jalandhar got angry and said that how can the dead gods go away from my hands? You have the knowledge to revive. On this, Shukracharya asked Dronacharya to bring medicine from Devguru to revive the gods. Hearing this, Jalandhar became even more angry, and then Shukracharya said, If you have the power, uproot Dronagiri and throw it into the sea. Then the truth of my statement will be proved. Angered by this, Jalandhar soon reached Dronagiri mountain, caught hold of it with his arms, uprooted Dronagiri mountain, and threw it into the sea. This was the glory of Sri Lord Shankar. There was no strangeness of Jalandhar in it. After that, this son of Sagar came to the battlefield and started killing the gods at a very fast pace. When Dronacharya went to get the medicine, he found Dronachal uprooted to nothingness. Frightened, he came to the gods and asked them to stop the war. You will not be able to conquer Jalandhar now. Earlier, Indra had insulted Lord Shiva. After hearing this, Devta gave up the hope of victory in the war and ran away here and there. Sindhusut fearlessly entered Amravati. All the gods like Indra took shelter in the caves. Kartik month Mahatma story chapter 11 is completed. श्रीमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 श्रीमन नारायण 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 भजमन नारायण 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 लक्ष्मी नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 श्रीमन नारायण 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 श्रीमन नारायण नारायण नारायण